That it's crossed Eastern. Last check with Jim, it has not crossed Bryant, which is right here. It has not crossed Bryant, right? And you get over here, there's Frontier City. Lots of smoke now coming into the Frontier City area. If this fire, I'll say this again, is headed towards you, and you're looking to your west and southwest, and it's dark, it looks like night coming at you, you need to evacuate, okay? If you're looking at this map and you're anywhere between Frontier City and back to the west, you need to evacuate, because there's not going to be a knock on the door from a firefighter, more than likely, or from a policeman telling you to evacuate. You have to take your life into your own hands, and that means get out if this is coming at you, okay?
As we're flying up here, just off to my east, there is another big fire that has started right there. That one has just now taken off. That is just east of this small fire that we just flew over. But that's another one that's going to start racing out of control. But I can tell you this thing up at Logan County right now, as we roll up on it, David, is just massive. It is just massive.
We have several homes now, several structures, and there you go. Another big fire there, Jim. Go ahead.
Well, that's right. This is kind of a small manufactured home area here, David. You can see that one. That is actually a fifth wheel that's been converted into, a permanent place to stay, and it's completely on fire. But these are all manufactured homes right in here, David. Now this is on the west side of I-35 around Pine, and I'm not quite sure what it'd be south of me, I believe. But it's on Pine Street. Is that the street that runs right by there? So this is on the west side of I-35, probably about a mile, as this keeps moving to the east. But again, we're finding this all along here, David. I still haven't been able to get in there and get in on close to I-35 just on the west side to see what's in the center of this fire. But we're picking up structures all through this fire, where it started and where we're at right now. So again, it's still a firestorm going on, David. It's definitely way out of control. Not enough firefighters to even get in here and deal with this. And unfortunately, I think this is just the start of the loss that we're going to have when this thing is all over.
Is anything in the line of fire right now? Is anything in danger? Go ahead.
Yeah, David, there is. These are small patches of evergreens just crammed in real tight here. This is the south side of the fire. The original starting point of this fire up here at Logan County was on Bryant, just south of Simmons Road. That's the original starting point. And then it moved quickly northeast. Now it caught a big patch of cedars here, and you can see this little industrial area right here, David. And then if we go back to the right, you can see that water tower right in there. There are flames burning around right in there, around them buildings right there. I haven't seen anything catch fire, but it's burning right back into all this, David. David, it's a structure fire, but it looks like a gas pipe has ruptured or something and is just shooting flames out of the top of this thing. But yeah, this is just one of the many more structures that we've found, David. And man, I mean, that's a pretty major gas line right there that is coming out of the ground. I'm not sure where that's coming from, but it's roaring.
This whole thing kind of began here in North Oklahoma City with a fire that started roughly at Kelly and Hefner, and then that fire took off, took out some homes, right, as it was approaching I-35 south of the Kilpatrick Turnpike, and we lost structure after structure, barn after barn, house after house. And look at this big house here. Yeah, no firefighters around. Why? Well, because they're scattered everywhere else trying to put out all the other fires, but this house was a total loss today. And again, we did this all day long. There's the Logan County fire, I-35 shut down. There's the smoke and the fire ripping across I-35, home after home after home, gone. Just taken down to ashes in Logan County today. It was very scary. Some homes were just completely burned to the ground. Others, firefighters were able to help. But a lot of these fires, when they hit the house basically vaporized, right? Just went into ashes because of all the wind. And red cedars, remember, red cedars, they're full of oil. You get these embers that go up in the sky. They move east with the wind. They drop back down, and they land on top of a house. And then our storm trackers were all over the place as well on the ground. Largest team of trackers in the nation out today, and they saw the same scenes, but just really, really close. Many, many homes gone, businesses gone. And folks, I'm telling you, it was a dangerous day. We were talking about a fire emergency. A fire outbreak today was well underway. And I was just telling people, hey, get out of the way. You got to get in your car. You got to move. If you have smoke coming at you, get out now. Do not wait. You do not have time. And wow, what a day it was.